The absolute biggest mistake that I see homeowners make with their heating and cooling system is ignoring the strange noise, then hiring the cheapest guy on Craigslist to fix it. An HVAC system is only as good as the hands that install it. If it's put in the wrong way, you'll pay double in energy bills and repairs over the next 5 years. At Mayster, we don't cut corners. We do it right the first time so you don't have to pay twice. With over 640 reviews and 4.9 stars, we've earned the trust of the Pacific Northwest homeowners. So reach out today and let us make sure that your home is perfectly comfortable from day one.